Keep going. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What'd you run over, dude?
Shut the fuck up!
Oh my god, dude. Jesus Christ. So we out here, Kansas City, Kansas. Cynthia, first time driving the diesel, and she's afraid to take it into the automatic car wash that you put it in neutral and just goes by itself. And Cynthia's afraid she's gonna hit something because the truck's big. Right, babe?
Yep.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
So, échale ganas, vieja, ya estamos aquí. That damn truck damn dirty, I tell you what, I never seen the damn truck been so dirty in my damn life. Damn truck. What? No, you're not gonna eat, Leo. You just ate. There you go, babe. This is it. You gotta fit in through over there.
God, Alejandro, why don't you just freaking grab the damn...
It's okay, you can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it, vieja. You can do it. This is America, damn it. You can do anything. Come on, in Jesus' name, babe. In Jesus' name. And the damn truck dirty. And the damn truck real dirty.
It's gonna be too big.
No, it's not gonna be too big, babe. That's 7'2", damn it. You're 5 foot nothing.
I hate you. Hi. This truck's not too big for it, right? Okay, cool. We're gonna get the 15 one, but can we do it twice? Or do we have to just go around and do it again and pay again? Okay.
If you get the premier, you can use your 48-hour guarantee.
Cool. Let's get it. 48-hour guarantee, vieja. That's guaranteed clean.
I hate you so much.
Ooh, vieja, are you scared, fool?
Yes, I'm scared. I'm getting so much in my...
Damn, fool. Babe, you're wondering if you're gonna fit, dude. You're 5 foot nothing. That's 7'2". Échale ganas, vieja. Here, let's go look at the... Let's see how dirty this damn thing is. Yeah. She's dirty. Hey, what were you saying?
What do I do? Like, okay,
Ask
so
them.
let's say I'm that car.
Yeah, you're that car.
Okay, so what do I do?
You're gonna drive in there.
Oh my god, and then that's it? Just drive in there?
Pretty much. Then you gotta put it in neutral and then take your foot off the brake. What?
Why don't you come in here? The wheel's gonna be too big for that thing.
Babe, you can like roll down your window and ask them. Don't be afraid to ask them.
You have to.
Not right now though, not right now. No. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Here we go. Woo! We're getting there, babe.
Oh my god, babe, can you please drive?
Can't. Too late into the process now. Oh man, I can feel the anxiety. Look at these guys working hard, cleaning cars. Damn, babe, I can just feel the anxiety right now. I feel like you're scared. Tell me how you feel, babe.
I'm gonna beat you. That's what I'm about to do.
Oh, here you go, babe. There you go. They're telling you to go. Ooh, you better fit in the right, babe. You better get in there right. He's telling you to turn more to the right. Okay, nice and go forward. Keep going. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What'd you run over, dude?
Shut the fuck up!
Oh my god, dude. Jesus Christ.
Car neutral. What's neutral? Do I put the car now or what?
Yeah,
Now?
yeah.
And then?
Take your foot off the brake. Take your foot off the brake. Oh my goodness. Do not touch the brakes whatever you do, okay? You'll get yelled at. You'll get yelled at.
Ah! You can't see. Hands off steering.
Oh, don't touch the steering wheel, babe.
I got so much ready today.
Check it out. Let's look at. Oh wow, it's dirty. Don't open it, babe. Don't open it. Okay, we'll open it. I'm just
No.
kidding. Oh my god. What is that? Right there.
No!
Get the hell out of me. There you go, babe. Go, 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 go,
There
go.
goes his weight.
Go, 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 go.
Oh my god. Do I go?
How was that, babe?
I'll never do it again.
Yeah, we gotta go in another time.
No, we're not.
Yeah, because it's
It's
not
good.
100% clean, babe.
It's clean.
No, it's not. You gotta go in a second time.
No,
I promise you, you gotta go in a second time.
Babe.
Babe, we gotta get our money's worth, damn it. Look at the windshield. Look at the windshield. Windshield's still dirty. You gotta go in there again, babe. Okay? Otra vez. Yep. Yep. Needs to cleaning. Needs to be clean.